Welcome to Veed Vehicle King, your ultimate destination for all things on opening scene, golden hour lighting, car under a spotlight. Camera glides over the Jaguar E-Type, capturing curves, reflections, and chrome accents. Narrator, elegant, refined tone. It's more than a car, it's a sculpture in motion. The Jaguar E-Type, where style and speed meet in perfect harmony. Scene 1. Close-up of the Jaguar E-Type engine, panning slowly across the intricate details. The Jaguar E-Type engine, a masterpiece of engineering, renowned for its power and elegance. Scene 2. Transition to a wide shot of the car, hood open, showcasing the engine in its entirety. This 4.2-liter inline-six engine is not just a powerhouse, it's a work of art. Scene 3. Cut to a detailed shot of the engine components, highlighting the polished metal and craftsmanship. Every component meticulously crafted speaks to the legacy of Jaguar's engineering excellence. Scene 4. Slow zoom on the engine's iconic triple SU carburetors. These carburetors are the heart of the E-Type, delivering precision and performance. Scene 5. Transition to a dynamic shot of the engine revving, capturing the sound and vibration. Feel the roar, the raw power that defined an era of automotive innovation. Scene 6. Fade to a serene shot of the car driving through a scenic landscape, engine purring smoothly. Experience the blend of power and grace, a true testament to Jaguar's legacy. This is the Jaguar E-Type, a true icon of automotive design. Its long, low bonnet stretches forward like a bullet, sleek, powerful, and smooth. The oval headlights and low-set grille give it a bold, predatory look. Every curve flows perfectly, shaped by wind and speed. Not just style, but function. The rear is slim and graceful, with classic chrome touches and elegant lines. Driving on a winding road at sunset, the Jaguar E-Type is not just a car, it's an experience.